I'm going to talk about Ghana versus Nigeria yesterday. And honestly, there are a few things that I observed the match yesterday. Um, the changes. Coach Otto Addo, honestly speaking, um, yesterday I was not expecting this from him. The changes came very, very late, honestly speaking. If you could notice, yesterday Jordan Ayew was very, very tired. And yesterday I was expecting Coach Otto Addo should have made changes at least from 65th minute. If you notice something here, Nigeria about 74th minute and they did all their fifth changes. And Jordan Ayew played 90 minutes. That was my problem. Not Jordan Ayew starting the game, no. But the changes. Jordan Ayew at least by 65th minute, Coach Otto Addo should have made changes. And yet, something that Milo was doing and most of us was complaining about it, lack of changes. All the two strikers yesterday was very, very tired. And you have players like a Jason Pencil that can hold the ball, can run, didn't get the chance. So that was my main problem that I noticed. The guys, they did very well. They improved to me. I was so impressed. They improved than the African Cup of Nations that we went. They played very well. And I thought if like Otto Addo make the changes very quick, like Ghana could have gotten a goal because you have a good players in the bank. So if you know that you are not going to make a lot of substitute, why you have to call 27 players and the guys come and sit down there? Why? You should have just called like a 20 players on the call up. So you calling 27 players, meaning you need them. They are good. So why you have to keep Jordan Ayew to play 90 minutes? That was my problem number one. My problem number two was Jojo Wallacott. Is good. Is improving it, and keepers are not meant to be. You have to change keepers all the time. No, sometimes it's not good. So for him starting the game yesterday, I was supporting that. But what I noticed yesterday, it was delayed tactics, and I don't know where that come from. Number one, when he get the ball, he delay to release the ball. It's not that you are leading 1-0 and you say, well, we need a goal, we got that goal. So what we have to do, we have to delay and protect that goal. You are playing home and all the fans around you, all the supporters are there supporting you, and you have the advantage of that to release the ball quick. And sometimes, I don't know what that maybe was instruction from the coach, I don't know. But if that his guys decide to do that, I think the next match they have to improve. Because if you are leading 1-0, if you are ahead, yes, sometimes I will say, oh, for you doing that, you are just trying to waste time and protect your one goal. But you are playing home and you need a goal. Why can't you release the ball quick? That was my problem from Jojo Wallacott. And I do believe that the next match is going to improve. And coming to Mohamed Kudus, was a great player, was doing pretty well. But something that I thought, or maybe the next match they have to improve. You are a very skillful player. You can hold the ball. Why can't you go forward? Why can't you go to the 18 yards box? Create and go forward. You can get a penalty. But he was holding the ball. No, that is not, holding the ball, turning around, and at the end of the day, pass it back, give it back, holding the ball, turning. Yes, sometimes when you dribble as a skillful player like Vinicius, you have to move to the 18-yard box. That was my main problem with Kudus. It did very well. It really impressed me. But that is something that I think, honestly speaking, you could have done better. When you get the ball, go to the 18-yard box. When you press and go to the 18-yard box, at least you can score goal or you can get a penalty. So that was things that I observed yesterday. Otto Addo didn't make the changes on time. The changes came very, very late. I was not expecting Jordan Ayew to play 90 minutes. Jojo Walcott was delaying tactics when you need goals. And I think they have to improve there. Kudos was doing pretty well, but not going to the 18-yard box, holding the ball, turning around, and taking so long to release the ball. Taking so long to release the ball. When you get the ball, the place that you can move. If there's a place that you cannot move, release the ball quick. Baba was all over. Idrisu Baba was all over the park. But the problem as well, the passes was not that clinical like Anthony Annan, how he used to do, but he did very well. So guys, what do you think? What do you really observe yesterday much? This is the 3-4 things that I observed yesterday. Number one, Coach Otto Addo changes came very late. What I wasn't happy about it. The keeper as well was delaying the ball, not releasing the ball fast and all that. That's number two. Kudos Mohammed was holding the ball like not moving, holding the ball so long before releasing the ball. Sometimes he hold the ball till all the Nigeria players will gather before release the ball. And I think if they really want to qualify and they get to Abuja, this is some of the things that I believe that they have to work on. And going to the Abuja, they have to have that confidence that Nigeria, we can beat Nigeria simple. Nigeria, they have to, Black Star players, they have to believe that Sierra Leone, when Sierra Leone was down by 4 goals, Sierra Leone came back and equalized all the 4 goals. Central Republic, when a lot of Nigeria was saying that, well, how come Comoros beat Ghana and this Ghana team have to beat Nigeria? So how come Central Republic beat Nigeria and we have to allow ourselves as a Ghana, Nigeria have to beat us in Abuja? If then Nigerians are basing that, well, Comoros beat Ghana, so there is no way Ghana have to beat them. We have to also have mentality that Central Republic, when they beat them, that they are home. So we can also do that. This is what the Ghana team have to put in their mind and go back to win the Jollof. And the Jollof, the Nigerians, they know, they accept and they believe that when they come to Jollof, we are number one. Jollof, can you? We are number one. So Black Stars, go Ghana, go Black Stars. We are winning. So guys, what do you think? What is your thought? What do you observe yesterday? Give your comment. What do you think, and what things you think the players need to improve? Coach Otto Addo, what do you think that they have to improve, guys?